important is to share a question that we wanted to answer. And so today we have myself, Chrissy Mashinsky, the founder of USAstrong.io, and we have...
Hi, it's Mimi again, head of design.
And Alyssa, head of sales.
And Alyssa, you're based in...
New Jersey.
And she also oversees New Jersey Strong, which is one of the 12 states that we have up and running. And we want to share first what the question is. So if someone could share the question with us.
How is USA Strong helping the local communities?
So the question is, how is USA Strong helping the local communities? And it's a very simple answer. 95% of the profit of USAstrong.io in the marketplace goes back directly to the community. There is not a single marketplace out there today that can say that. And we can explain how that works. You design it with us. You make it. We sell it. The profit, 95%, goes back to you. The nominal fee that we're taking of 5% is to cover simple logistics on our end. That is unlike any marketplace out there currently. Other marketplaces out there, like an Amazon, they keep the majority of the profit. That has to stop. And in order for all of us to be successful in our local communities, we need to work together. So some of the things that we've been talking about is how to